Hello everyone, welcome to my tutorial of Dropbox. My name is Ye Xiang. Today I'm going to introduce you Dropbox. There are two main topics today. The first one is what is Dropbox, and the second one is how to use Dropbox. What is Dropbox? Dropbox was founded in 2007. Dropbox is a file hosting service. It's like a cloud which can be used to upload files and download files. You don't need to bring all the files with you when you use different kinds of devices. When you have an account of Dropbox, all the files and folders will be syncing automatically. In this way, it helps us to bring files to everywhere. When you create a personal account, you will have 2 GB of space. It's for free. If you want more space, you can buy. Any files can be saved in Dropbox, like Word document, images, and PDF. You can install Dropbox on your computer, both Windows and Mac. You can also download some Dropbox apps to iPhone, iPad, Android, and BlackBerry. If you are using a public computer, you can visit the Dropbox website to download the files you want directly. Files you save to your Dropbox will be saved automatically to your computers, phones, and even Dropbox website. Dropbox will download as fast or as slow as your network allows, and will try its best to not hog your connection. Dropbox takes the security of files and of our software very seriously. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create a Dropbox account, and then how to upload files or folders to Dropbox website, how to share a folder, and how to share a link. Of course, I'm going to tell you how to download a Dropbox to your computer. In order to use the free tool Dropbox, we need to have an account first. So let's go to www.dropbox.com to create an account. We click Sign Up. Then type in your first name, last name, email address, and password. Don't forget to choose I agree to Dropbox terms. After clicking the Sign Up button, you will go to this page, which provides you 3 types of Dropbox service. Today, we are going to use this one, the basic one, which gives you 2 GB for free. If you want more spaces, you can buy online. So let's click Continue. After clicking Continue, the Dropbox will be downloaded to your computer automatically. You can choose a place to put the Dropbox installer, and then double-click the Dropbox installer to install the Dropbox on your computer. Because I already have a Dropbox in my computer, so I won't do this again. After downloading the Dropbox, you can open the Dropbox folder on your computer. Click the Dropbox icon on the right bottom of the desktop. Then click the house-shaped icon. You will go to the Dropbox folder. If you are using the Dropbox the first time, you will see nothing in this folder. Because I'm using Dropbox for a long time, you can see all the files I have uploaded here. Then, how to add files or folders into Dropbox. You just need to put folders or files into this Dropbox folder. You can drag in files, and you can also create one folder in Dropbox. Right-click and then choose New, create a folder. Let's call it My Folder. You can put the files you like into My Folder by dragging it. Open My Folder. You can drag in more files. The green check mark means they are already been uploaded. Let's go to Dropbox website and see what has happened. Close the folder and click the Dropbox icon. Choose the Earth-shaped icon and single-click it. Then you will go to Dropbox website. It's a clean page. In the middle of the page, you can see all the files you have uploaded. The folder called My Folder has already been uploaded here. By clicking it, you can see all the files I have added here. Since all the files have been uploaded to Dropbox website, it makes it possible that when you use the Dropbox in other devices, you can get access to all the files. The Dropbox in other devices will also sync in automatically. It also means all these files will be downloaded to your new devices. This makes it possible that you can bring files to everywhere. Next, I'm going to show you how to share folders or links with others. You must remember that it can be only done on Dropbox website. So close the Dropbox folder and then single-click the Dropbox icon. Click the Earth shape icon. Then you will go to the Dropbox website. You can see that it's a very clean website. On the left column, you can choose to see which Dropbox service you want to use. The first one with a house icon, it's a personal Dropbox service. This is our main topic of this tutorial. The second one with a bag is a business Dropbox. We won't talk about this, so don't pay attention to this. The photos. When you click photos, you will see all the photos in your Dropbox. When you click sharing, you will see all the shared photos in your Dropbox. When you click links, you will see all the links in your Dropbox. When you click events, you will see all the actions you have done before. Now, let's go back to personal Dropbox. Before talking about how to share folders or links in Dropbox, I'm going to introduce you how to upload folders or create new folders on Dropbox website. If you want to create a folder in Dropbox website, just choose the New Folder icon on the top. Then type in a name new folder. Click the new folder. You can upload the files to this folder. Just click the Upload. Then click Choose Files. You can choose files from your computer. You can also add more files by click Add More Files. The Dropbox will tell you if the files was added to Dropbox or not. You can choose a Word document. If you are done, click Done. Then the two files are all uploaded to this new folder. Then, how to share folders with others? Please remember that the folders can only be shared with people who have a Dropbox account. So, go back to Personal. Choose the folder you want to share, and then right-click. Click Invite to Folder. Type into the email address of the person you want to share with. Type into some messages if you want. Then click Share Folder. You can see that the icon before the new folder has been changed. It means the new folder has already been shared. Your friends will receive an invitation to look at the new folder or edit it. If the person you want to share with don't have the Dropbox account, you can choose to share a link with him. Right-click the folder you want to share, and then choose Share Link. You will go to a new page. Type into the address of the person you want to share with. Type into some message if you want. Then click Send. The link will be sent to your friends. They can click the link and download the files or folders from the website. Now let's go back to Personal Dropbox homepage. I'm going to show you how to manage the shared folders. Click the Sharing on the left column. You will see all the folders you shared with others. Then click the options after the target folder. You can choose re-invite the person or uninvite the person. You can also choose to unshare folder. When you click Unshare Folder, nobody else will be able to sync this shared folder to their Dropboxes. Dropbox is a very useful tool, and it's very easy to learn. I hope you can learn something from my tutorial video. Thank you for watching.